Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can download your video directly on Bonnet.net without downloading in zip format. Now, I'm in my Bonnet.net dashboard, so if I want to download any of the videos right here, what you might notice is that if I click right and I proceeded to clicking on the download, it will download in zip format, and inside that zip file, I will have many videos right there, but I don't want that to happen. So what I would do is I want to download the video individually. So I'll go ahead and cancel this. Now I will go back and show you how you can download your video directly. Now before I start downloading, let me show you a couple things right there. Here is the encoding. So the encoding is where you have your original file, whether you want to keep it or whether you want to upload in different file sizes. So if you have this one turned on by default, it means that each time you upload your video on Bonnet.net, the original file will be available in your account. But if you don't have it, right, it means you can download the available file size on the account. Now that is the first thing. So I have it right here. If I want to download the original file size, I will be able to do that, but I will leave that. Let's go to the next step right here, the security. So on the security, it is possible by default that you have block direct URL access turned on. So if you want to download each video directly, you need to disable this, and maybe after you are done with your downloading, you can come back and enable it. So I will go ahead and disable it right now. Then I will go straight to the library right here. So the library, I want to download videos from a particular collection. So right now I have downloaded some of the videos in this collection. I think I'm in the number 5 right here. So I want to go ahead and download this video right here, this particular one you see right here. So I click on the video, right? Immediately I click on the video, instead of going to click on this download button right here, I will go to the bottom right here. Then I have a couple of links available right here. So right here, what I want to do now is I'll go ahead and click on this copy link, which is the HLS playlist URL. So I'll click on it. So when I click on that, I will go right here, I paste it right here. So now I want to change that. Instead of the playlist you are seeing right here, I'll go ahead and change it to original. So I'll just type original, right? And I click on enter. So with this, it means I will be able to download the original file I uploaded on Bonnet.net. So now I can go ahead and click on this, right? Maybe you click on right click, or maybe you come right here, you click on these 3 dots and you click on download. So either of the two, you will be able to save the video to your computer. So you can just give it a name and then it will download the original video you uploaded to your Bonnet.net account. But if you don't want to download the original video, maybe you just want to download maybe 720p size, then you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that right now. So let's go back and copy the link again. Let's just paste it in the notepad or somewhere on our browser. Let's paste it right here. So now we want to delete this list. From this list, we want to delete it. Then we want to put an underscore right here, and we want to put the file size, which is 720p. Then you add .mp4. So now what I'm doing is I want to download this video in 720 format, and then when I click on enter, it's going to open the video and I'll be able to download in that size. If I want to download in the smaller size, let's say in 480p size, I will also be able to do that. But before that, let's save this 720 and see what happened right here. So I saved the 720p size. Now it has been downloaded. So let's go to the URL again. Let's change this to 480, if that is right, 480, and see if we have the size available. So you can see this is the 480p size. So let's download this again and see what we get. That is 480p. So now the 2 videos have been downloaded. This is the 480 and this is the 720. So let's look at the size. Now we have this as in this is 27.2 MB. Now let's look at the second one, the first one we downloaded. Let's look at the size. This is 44.6 MB. So you can see now, instead of downloading in the zip file whereby you have multiple videos and different elements right there, you can just go ahead and download your video directly using this method. So what you just have to do is, when you copy the link right here, then you go right here, you change this. If you are downloading in different size, just go ahead and put underscore right here. Then you enter the size, maybe 720p. Then you enter .mp4 and you click on enter on your computer. Then you'll be able to download that file size. So if you want to change it, maybe 1080, let's go ahead and look at that right here. 1080p 1080. Let's click on enter. That is not available, so I cannot download that size. So I can just go ahead and change it back to the 720 right here, 720. Then click on enter. You can see this is the size I can download right now. So you can go ahead and use this method to download your videos right on bonnet.net. And if you want to download the original, just go ahead and change this. Instead of the play you see right here, you just go ahead and change this play to original. Then you click on enter. Then you'll be able to download your video in the original size. And when you are done downloading your videos, you just go back to the bonnet.net. Then you go back to the security. Then you turn on the block direct URL file access. So once you do that, it will not be possible to have direct access to your videos using the URL. So now you should be able to download your video directly without any problem. That is what I want to share with you in this video, and I believe with this you will be able to download your videos without worrying about downloading in zip format that you don't even need. Go ahead and try it and drop your comment in the comment section of this video if this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching and bye for now.